Go on then. Oh my god. Yeah, regretting it instantly. Okay there, Stitch. Hey boy. You okay? Oh, what's the matter? Snow too much for you? You can sort of see it in the video, but you know what it's like. It's always worse in person than in video. It's the worst kind of snow as well. It's the kind that doesn't settle properly. I mean, sure, it's kind of settling here, but you know, not on the roads. Not the kind of stuff that stops you from going to work. That would be cool. I mean, we've still got a few hours worth of it, so you never know. Hey, Lou, Stitch. Well, I always thought you wanted to go outside. What's wrong with you? Oh, God, that's wet. What's wrong? Huh? What's wrong with you? You're not enjoying it? Bit too cold. Come on then, let's go. Let's go. Let's go inside. No. Let's go inside. Come on. Let's go. Uh-oh. I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to need 2 hands to pick him up. He's 4.6 kilograms heavy now. Ooh. Oh no. He's changed his mind. Oh my lord. Sorry. You sure that's wise? Oh no, okay. Oh God. Yeah, that's not very nice. Where's the head down? Up. There we go. No, you're not going under there. I just realised yeah, that's missing. Yeah, you're not enjoying it, are you, Stitch? Shall we get you in? Shall we get you in? Hey, Stitch, you okay? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Not under there. No, you're not going under there.